In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an individual product page in Wix. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you're on the dashboard of the site that has your online store. From your main dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu and find the section related to your store. In that menu, click on Catalog. This is where Wix groups everything related to the products you're selling, so you can manage them in one place. Once you're inside the catalog area, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open a full list of all the items in your store. Here you can see basic information like product names, prices, stock status, and other details. Take a moment to locate the specific product you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have many products. When you've found the product you want to change, look to the right side of that product row. You'll see an icon with 3 small dots, usually called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small drop-down menu with different options for managing that individual item. From that drop-down, click on Edit Product. This will open the full product editor for that specific item. Now you're on the individual product page where you can adjust all the details that your customers will see. In this editor, fill in or update the details you need. This can include the product name, description, images, price, sale or compare at price, and any variants like size or color. Make sure your description is clear and helpful, and your images are high quality and accurately show the product. You can also check inventory settings, whether the product is in stock, and any labels or ribbons you want to display, such as new or on sale. Take your time here, because everything you adjust in this area will affect how the product appears on its individual page in your store. Once you're happy with all the changes you've made, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the editor. Click on Save to apply your edits. Give it a moment to update, then you can preview your site to see how the individual product page looks with your new changes.